Sheriff Tommy Rodella is out of jail tonight, but will not be able to carry a gun. The FBI arrested the Rio Arriba County Sheriff today after he was accused of terrorizing another driver before roughing him up. This case could cost the sheriff his career, and it could cost the county a fortune. Here's News 13's Katie Kim.
Disgraced Rio Arriba County Sheriff Tommy Rodella, arrested by the FBI this morning, only has about 4 months left on the job. And this by no means will be a clean breakup.
I would suggest that the sheriff resign. I don't know that he would listen to me.
By all accounts, Rodella won't.
Stepping down will not happen. Stepping down makes it look like he did something wrong. That will not happen.
The FBI picked up Rodella and his son in Espanola and charged them for violating a man's civil rights during a March traffic stop. The feds accused the sheriff, who was off duty at the time, and his son of dragging 26-year-old driver Michael Tafoya from his car, beating him with a gun and badge, then lying to deputies about it.
Today's arrest serves notice to those who would abuse their office and violate the public trust.
The sheriff claims Tafoya was driving recklessly and almost hit the Rodella's personal car before taking off. The Rodellas pleaded not guilty to all charges.
We have a trial within 70 days. He'll be returning after an acquittal as sheriff.
High-powered Albuquerque attorney Bob Gorens is representing Sheriff Rodella. The county manager says he's concerned taxpayers will have to pay Rodella's expensive legal fees.
He's really never off duty. They can say he's off duty. He's the sheriff of Arriba 24/7. He doesn't ever lose that title.
Under state law, Campos can't remove the sheriff from office because Rodella hasn't been convicted. Gorens says Rodella may take a leave of absence while his case winds through the courts.
The sheriff, as a public service, will do what's best for the citizens of Rio Arriba County. And if the county commission says that that's what they want him to do, he'll do it.
Now, Campos says it's unclear whether taxpayers will need to pay for Rodella Jr.'s legal fees. He's a volunteer reserve deputy, and Campos says the county could be responsible for him as well. Katie Kim, KRQE News 13.
Rio Arriba County Under Sheriff Vince Crespin will take over in the sheriff's absence. We have much more on this story, including the federal indictment and the sheriff's troubled history. That's on our website at krqe.com.